And good afternoon, everyone. On this First Alert Weather Day, we have a severe weather potential later this afternoon and this evening. That's one facet that we're watching. Another is a higher than normal risk of flash flooding. You see, the Storm Prediction Center has a large part of the area under a level 2 out of 5 or a slight risk for some scattered strong to severe storms. The main concern would be damaging wind gusts with any of the stronger thunderstorm cells. And then a flood watch this afternoon into tonight covers the entire area. We have an excessive rainfall outlook here that shows a 20 to 50% chance or a moderate risk of flash flooding from the I-95 corridor here over the western Piedmont. So certainly something to watch. And we already have saturated ground in parts of the area. I know our southern counties didn't get as much rain, but we had some pockets of very heavy rain in Sussex County, and then you come into Metro Richmond, Chesterfield, parts of Henrico County, Powhatan. 3 inches up to locally 6 inches of rain fell last night. So it's not going to take much additional heavy rain to cause some localized flooding. Right now it is dry, a mix of clouds and sunshine, 84 degrees. Look at that dew point in the mid 70s, so it feels like it's 93 degrees. So definitely an uncomfortable feel out there, despite the fact that the temperatures are in the low to mid 80s. The humidity is so very high. And there you see some cloud cover. Richmond points south and east, more sun here to the northwest, but at least so far so good. Nothing showing up on the Doppler radar. As the afternoon wears along, though, that's going to change. I think by the middle of the afternoon, 3-4 o'clock, a few isolated showers and storms, and then once we get into the evening, the coverage expands over the area. So more of these showers and thunderstorms, they become more numerous into the evening. We'll have to watch for any of these individual cells to strengthen and produce gusty, potentially damaging winds. Now, not everybody's going to see that, but certainly that higher than normal potential for flash flooding, as some of these storms could be slow movers and put down some very heavy rain into the early mid part of the evening. By late evening, closer to midnight, I'm hopeful that things will begin to wind down from west to east, and then during the overnight, maybe a spotty shower or storm, but most of the rain will be coming to an end. So our high temperature, 92 degrees. That's going to happen a little bit later, and then our storm chance grows into the evening, and it diminishes overnight tonight. More scattered showers and storms in the forecast. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, same story on Friday afternoon and evening. Temperatures mid to upper 80s. Our rain chance still there this weekend, a little bit lower, but there could be some scattered hit or miss late day showers and storms Saturday and Sunday with high temperatures very close to 90 degrees. So it heats up a little bit this weekend. We're near 90 with some scattered late day showers and storms Monday and Tuesday. So again, just to reiterate, we have that First Alert Weather Day in place for today. Late day and evening storms, some could be strong to severe, and we do have that potential for flash flooding. So just stay weather aware, have a way to get warnings if they're issued. Of course, download the First Alert Weather app. That's your best source for weather information locally. We'll be right back after this break.